Good evening. Good evening, parents and students. So, whoever are the parents of 9th class, because of this COVID situation, there are some changes in the syllabus of 9th class in all the subjects. But as a math teacher and the founder of Son of Third Times, I would like to update the syllabus of mathematics 9th class. So kindly look at the changes whatever are there, and you better insist your child to make the updation in the syllabus. Okay. When it comes to real numbers and polynomials and factorization, that is chapter 1 and chapter 2 of 9th class, you don't have any additions or deletions, so they are all kept as it is. Third chapter, elements of geometry, you are not going to get any questions in your written examinations, but they will be given for project work. So you need to prepare for project work, but when it comes to written examination, the elimination of geometry, elements of geometry will not be considered. Fourth and fifth chapter, totally they are all included, nothing exclusions are there in fourth and fifth chapter. Sixth chapter, linear equations in two variables, exercise 6.4, question number 1, 7 and 8 are eliminated. And chapters 7, 8 and 9 are completely included, so no more deletion from that. 10th chapter, surface areas and volumes, exercise 10.3 totally deleted, and exercise 10.4 totally deleted. So once again I repeat you, totally deleted doesn't mean that your child should not prepare for that, but it may be included in project work, and it is included in project work. In fact, these are the areas where questions may not come in assessment examinations. 11th chapter, areas, question number 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So these are the questions based on the concept called as same base and between same parallel lines, so those are excluded. Coming to circles, exercise 12.3 is completely excluded. Constructional part, 13th chapter, constructions, exercise 13.2, question number 2, 3, 5 are eliminated. And 14th chapter, probability, the total chapter is excluded for assessment exams but clearly included in the project work. So this is the exclusions for your 9th class child. Thank you. So I, as a founder of Son of Third Times YouTube channel, I would like to share my knowledge. Whatever I possess with me, I am going to impart to your child. We are going to update our content in YouTube channel, basically focusing on the content part, and also the concepts whichever are required to your child for their higher classes are included. So make sure you ask your child to look into those my channel, Son of Third Times. And if at all you are interested, if at all you are believing that you got something from that, you kindly subscribe. My channel is Son of Third Times. Thank you.